ko de no ya no ko ya le did two na ki wal arwa ta ke da one of the O.K.Y.C youth deep thing ya la about the no ko da quarantine na ke da COVID-19 na we situation ko ni about the ta pele ke pure ma the nyola ba na ba mno ko le ni pa ka ha la pa de e we la ba ye do ma we da to lo da ba kha guitar no pa le all the ta pi da ma no mi ba ta ka sa no mi the free times ne a guitar mi o la ka pa ne tu tho na da pa ka ready soအခုနေနေပါလေအဂီထောင်းနေဝိသစုထန်ဂီတာနော်ရိုင်းနေတဲ့မျိုးနဲ့ဆရာဘာဘာသာတော့ယကတူပြာနာနော်ဘာခါဂီတာလေးတစညာဒီပါလေဂီတာနော်ပြာနာနော်တော့ယကေချောဒီဂီတာနော်ဂီတာနေကေဒါဂီတာလည်းဘာခေါ်လဲ electric plus with acoustic နော်ဂီတာပလာဒီပါယဖတ်တီရမဖတ်တီချပေါ့ဖာယီလီနော်Okay, you do that to kill, no? But then you become a lower corner, you're corner. The beginner one, I like a guitar, the thin, no blood. It'll be a really beginner, eh? Because Malo step by step now, when stay tuned. Now, the look at Malone with a chord C, I give that chord the major chord now, low with a Panyasi, way out there. Chord C, you just bite on the finger. Now your ring fingers. No, not bad. A bola, your borbo. No, da riborbo ne through the middle finger. And then keyboard bone through an pointing finger. No, parallel keyboard bow. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3. So to keyboard bow bar 1. We put bone bar 2 and then you would bar 3, and this is how it's gonna sound like, huh? Like I said, Ilana. Okay, now the key chord to color you can solo now the beginner can play now payala na blah blah can play. It's called the A minor now. A minor ne apa quite delay. Or C, the A minor. That's how we see it. Because you the middle finger and I put it on the fourth, no, bar 2. And then the same bar now, the bar the bakhala pasara chura through the ring finger, no put a padale stringlet third bow. Top, but pointing finger name, parallel, bar 1, string them a number with a number 2. Dark third Ilana. A chord because my lord that chord name chord up D minor, not D minor name. I love the assembly C. D minor name. It's your pointing finger now about well the first string now one bar, the first bar, pointing finger up A. Not the second bar, ne give it a middle finger on the third string. The third bar about the ring fingers on the third bar on the second string. But the third and D now. The last chord now, the last one for today now, give it a G now, chord G in name. I wear a theme with a C now. I said, you know, but I put my finger the line arki now, but through an arki. Baga my D now. Baga my D. Sorry, my D. I'm the whole you through the pointing finger. If you add with a the 7th or the kakala say them with the chord G ne arkini pasueda ring fingers no papala the last string third bar no the third bar da palaveni da the middle finger no papala the second bar the 5th string lana the last pinky now we use a pinky now for G when I get a chord but the first string now on the third part the K now because we have a color now chords with a Louis chords now C A minor D minor G now that four chord near the web make that I are keeping who are that you get piano the chord corner I guess already now Adina da permithua the thawini pakathua C and asala sing along da A minor and D minor and G now I record it practice with that quite para finger mithena para chimmy mithe mamke da practice to let feel more comfortable feel with that relax now. Now the K name become a lobacado, but dear, I want to pursue that, but you try to find on the deal. You so not the kind you see like a pop rock, slightly on. Okay, I can let that dinner. Now I guess slow rock now, slow rock. I give it the tempo of slow rock. So because my load is on I can let that you can let slow now, slow. Now pala ma thiriba to naima makyo na ta makyo na me the thing O.K.Y.C video now the K now because my way da because this is so na because for a chord and then because the guitar because the block hard for a chord now da you come my way da fast you might have clean audio you come my way da slow down na let's go. Okay, da you can make that slow now the play na. Okay, now okay ne because we have that click block corner we have that's how we do now like chord progression now we got a chord progressions now. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, da pala da we no le malo sa se na cha na ki kwa video na ki reverse par kwa ki na ye mulala ka mache we da pala ke guitar ti ba ga na le da ge we no pasa begin with se ba da la pagamit solo me come ti la mi khone ta blue do man le ne pa da video ha ni get a part of the O.K.Y.C now get O.K.Y.C prenne là pas mal de vidéo hay ni ça pas là où le dernier que get a better instruments no the cut comment below နော် comments တော့ပကမားထား video ခါဆွညာနော် W I'm gonna be here with you.
Oh.
You go there.
Hi guys, today I'm just gonna tell you a joke of the day. The joke of the day today is you know why snail doesn't want to snails don't want to eat fries and hamburgers? Because they're fast food. Fast food.